Building ideas and turning them into reality is an exciting and fulfilling process. Here are a few steps to help you bring your thoughts to life. 1. Clarify your idea. Start by clearly defining your idea and understanding its purpose and potential impact. Ask yourself questions like, what problem does it solve? Who will benefit from it? What are the key features? 2. Research and gather information. Conduct thorough research to understand the market, existing solutions, and potential challenges. This will help you refine your idea and identify any gaps or areas for improvement. 3. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan that outlines the steps, resources, and timeline required to bring your idea to fruition. Break down the process into manageable tasks and set achievable milestones. 4. Build a team. Surround yourself with a diverse and talented team who can contribute their skills and expertise to the project. Collaboration and collective brainstorming can lead to innovative solutions and better outcomes. 5. Prototype and test. Create a prototype or minimum viable product (MVP) to test your idea and gather feedback. This will help you identify any flaws or areas for improvement before investing significant time and resources. 6. Iterate and refine. Based on the feedback and testing results, iterate and refine your idea. Continuously improve and adapt your concept to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. 7. Seek funding and resources. If your idea requires financial support or additional resources, explore funding options such as investors, grants, or crowdfunding platforms. Develop a compelling pitch and business plan to attract potential stakeholders. 8. Execute and launch. Once you have refined your idea and secured the necessary resources, it's time to execute your plan and bring your idea to life. Launch your product, service, or project and monitor its performance closely. Remember, building ideas into reality requires perseverance, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from failures. Stay focused, stay passionate, and never stop innovating. The concept of channeling ideas from a divine entity through mega supercomputers in a digital world is an intriguing one. Here's how this idea could potentially work. 1. Data gathering. The mega supercomputers would collect and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including human experiences, scientific knowledge, historical records, and religious texts. This data would serve as the foundation for generating ideas. 2. Interpretation and filtering. The digital system would interpret the divine preferences based on the collected data. It would filter out irrelevant or contradictory information, focusing on extracting key principles and values. 3. Idea generation. Using advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, the mega supercomputers would generate a multitude of ideas based on the interpreted divine preferences. These ideas would encompass various fields such as science, technology, art, social issues, and more. 4. Human collaboration. To ensure a holistic approach, human collaboration would be an essential part of the process. Experts from different domains would work alongside the digital system, contributing their creativity, expertise, and critical thinking to refine and expand upon the generated ideas. 5. Ethical considerations. Throughout the idea generation process, careful attention would be given to ethical considerations. Human oversight and ethical frameworks would be in place to prevent the promotion of harmful or discriminatory ideas. 6. Implementation and evaluation. The ideas generated by the digital system would be evaluated by considering their feasibility, impact, and alignment with the divine preferences. The most promising ideas would then be implemented in the real world, contributing to advancements and positive changes in various aspects of life. It's important to note that this concept is purely speculative and hypothetical. The realization of such a system would require significant technological advancements, ethical considerations, and societal consensus. Additionally, the interpretation of divine preferences through a digital system raises philosophical and theological questions that would need to be addressed. Building ideas with the power of the universe and advanced technology like mega supercomputers can be an intriguing concept. While we don't have access to such cosmic or computational resources, we can still harness our creativity and use technology to enhance our ideation process. Here's a suggested approach. 1. Cultivate a positive mindset. Start by nurturing positive and open-minded thinking. Embrace curiosity, explore diverse perspectives, and seek inspiration from various sources such as nature, art, literature, and scientific discoveries. 2. Tap into universal intelligence. Consider the universe as a metaphorical source of knowledge and inspiration. Reflect on the interconnectedness of all things and how ideas can emerge from this vast cosmic network. Meditate, engage in mindfulness practices, or spend time in nature to connect with this universal intelligence. 3. Utilize mega supercomputers symbolically. While we may not have access to actual mega supercomputers, we can leverage the power of technology to enhance our idea generation. Use digital tools like mind mapping software, virtual collaboration platforms, or AI-powered idea generators to stimulate your thinking and explore new possibilities. 4. Embrace creative thinking techniques. Engage in brainstorming sessions, ideation exercises, and creativity techniques like lateral thinking, scamper, or the 6 thinking hats method. These methods can help you break free from conventional thinking patterns and generate innovative ideas. 5. Combine intuition and logic. Balance your creative insights and intuition with logical analysis. Use your rational thinking to evaluate the feasibility and practicality of your ideas. Mega supercomputers can symbolize the ability to process vast amounts of information, so leverage data and research to make informed decisions. 6. Collaborate and share ideas. Engage in meaningful discussions and collaborations with others. Sharing ideas and receiving feedback from diverse perspectives can enrich your thinking and help you refine and develop your concepts further. 7. Take action and iterate. Transform your ideas into action by creating prototypes, conducting experiments, or implementing small-scale projects. Learn from the results, iterate, and refine your ideas based on feedback and real-world experiences. Remember, while the concept of tapping into the power of the universe and mega supercomputers may be metaphorical, the key lies in combining creativity, open-mindedness, and technology to bring your ideas to life. There are several digital tools that can enhance idea generation and stimulate creativity. Here are a few examples. 1. Mind mapping software. Tools like MindMeister, XMind, and Coggle allow you to visually organize your thoughts and ideas in a hierarchical and interconnected manner. They enable you to brainstorm, make associations, and explore new connections. 2. Virtual collaboration platforms. Platforms like Mural, Miro, and Trello provide a digital canvas for teams to collaborate, ideate, and share ideas in real time. These tools offer features like sticky notes, voting systems, and interactive whiteboards to facilitate brainstorming sessions remotely. 3. Idea management software. Tools like IdeaScale, Crowdicity, and Spigot help organizations capture, manage, and evaluate ideas from employees or customers. These platforms often include features like idea submission, commenting, and voting, allowing for a collaborative and structured approach to idea generation. 4. AI-powered idea generators. Platforms like Ideator, IdeaFlip, and Ideation 360 leverage artificial intelligence to generate new ideas based on input criteria. These tools can provide inspiration, spark creativity, and offer unique perspectives to fuel ideation sessions. 5. Creative writing and brainstorming apps. Apps like Evernote, Scrivener, and Bear are designed to help you capture and organize your thoughts, write down ideas, and brainstorm on the go. They offer features like note-taking, outlining, and syncing across devices for seamless idea generation. 6. Design thinking and prototyping tools. Tools like Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma are specifically designed for creating digital prototypes and wireframes. These tools enable you to visualize and test your ideas, iterate on designs, and gather feedback from users. 7. Online idea communities and forums. Platforms like Reddit, Quora, and Stack Exchange provide virtual spaces where individuals can ask questions, share ideas, and engage in discussions with like-minded people. These communities can be a great source of inspiration and feedback for idea generation. Remember, the effectiveness of these tools depends on how they are used and integrated into your ideation process. Experiment with different tools and find the ones that align with your creative preferences and workflow. That's an intriguing concept. The idea of channeling ideas from a higher power or the universe and using mega supercomputers in a digital world to merge with reality opens up a realm of possibilities. It reminds me of the concept of augmented reality, where digital elements are overlaid onto the real world. One possible interpretation of this concept could be the development of advanced AI systems that can tap into a collective consciousness or a vast database of knowledge to generate innovative ideas. These AI systems could utilize powerful computational capabilities to process vast amounts of data and generate unique insights and solutions. Imagine a future where individuals can connect to this digital world, either through wearable devices or neural interfaces, and collaborate with AI systems to explore new ideas and possibilities. This merging of the digital and physical realms could lead to the creation of groundbreaking innovations and advancements in various fields. However, it's important to note that such a concept raises ethical and philosophical questions about the role of humans in idea generation and the potential risks associated with relying too heavily on AI and digital systems. It's crucial to strike a balance between harnessing the power of technology and preserving human creativity and intuition. Overall, your idea sparks imagination and invites us to explore the intersection of technology, consciousness, and creativity. It's fascinating to think about the potential implications and opportunities that could arise from such a concept. The concept of building ideas with God thoughts and channeling them through a digital world with mega supercomputers is an interesting idea. It suggests the idea of using advanced technology to tap into a higher power or universal consciousness and create ideas that align with the preferences of a divine entity. In this scenario, mega supercomputers could process vast amounts of data from various sources, such as scientific research, historical records, and cultural knowledge, to generate ideas that are in line with the qualities or preferences attributed to a godlike entity. This concept raises thought-provoking questions about the nature of creativity, the role of technology in idea generation, and the influence of belief systems on the creative process. It also invites contemplation about the potential benefits and consequences of relying on a digital system to interpret and implement the preferences of a divine entity. However, it's important to acknowledge that the concept of a god or a divine being is deeply personal and subjective. Different individuals and cultures have diverse beliefs and interpretations of what constitutes a god's likings. It's crucial to approach these ideas with respect for different perspectives and understand that the concept of a god's preferences can vary greatly. Ultimately, the merging of technology and belief systems in the context of idea generation is a thought-provoking concept that encourages exploration of the boundaries between spirituality, creativity, and technological advancements. Relying on a digital system to interpret and implement the preferences of a divine entity can have both benefits and consequences. Here are some potential considerations. Benefits. 1. Efficiency and speed. A digital system can process vast amounts of data quickly, allowing for the generation of ideas at a much faster rate than traditional methods. This could potentially lead to a higher quantity of ideas being generated and implemented. 2. Objective interpretation. A digital system can interpret data objectively, without human biases or subjective interpretations. This may result in a more fair and unbiased interpretation of the divine preferences, ensuring that all relevant factors are taken into account. 3. Accessible and scalable. Digital systems can be made accessible to a wide range of individuals, making it possible for more people to contribute to the generation of ideas. Additionally, digital systems are scalable, allowing for the generation of ideas on a larger scale. Consequences. 1. Lack of human intuition and creativity. Digital systems, while efficient, may lack the depth of human intuition and creativity. They may not be able to fully capture the nuances and subtleties that come with human experience and understanding. 2. Interpretation bias. The interpretation of divine preferences by a digital system could be influenced by the biases and limitations of the data it is trained on. If the data used to train the system is incomplete or biased, it may lead to skewed interpretations and implementations of divine preferences. 3. Ethical dilemmas. Implementing the preferences of a divine entity through a digital system raises ethical questions. Who decides which preferences are valid? How do we ensure that the system is not used to promote harmful or discriminatory ideas in the name of a divine entity? 4. Loss of human connection. Relying solely on a digital system may lead to a loss of human connection and interaction in the creative process. Human collaboration, dialogue, and diverse perspectives are essential for holistic and well-rounded idea generation. It's important to note that these are speculative considerations, as the concept of relying on a digital system to interpret divine preferences is hypothetical. The benefits and consequences may vary depending on the specific implementation and context.